Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for always watching our videos, always giving us a like. So guys, today here I'll just take you through Western Bypass. Western Bypass Highway is the Nairobi Western Bypass Highway is a planned road in Kenya, and mark you, this is the largest economy in the East African community. So when completed, this road here will connect the town of Kikuyu to the town of Ruaka, both in Kiambu County. So Nairobi Western Bypass Highway has a length of 16.6 kilometers. So completion is expected in the year 2022. That's next year. So it just started in 2019 and completion will be in 2022. So the major junctions are southwest end. Southwest end is in Gitaru, Wangige, Kahara and Ndenderu, Rumingi. So northeast end is in Ruaka. And the road is just the location of the road is just it starts in the neighborhood called Gitaru in the town of Kikuyu, approximately 24 kilometers. That's northwest of Central Business District, that's CBD of Nairobi, the capital and largest city of Kenya. That's the Nairobi capital city of Kenya. So the road travels in a general northeasterly direction through Wangige, Kahara, Ndenderu, Rumingi to end at Ruaka. That's a total distance of about 16.5 kilometers at Ruaka. So it will connect to the Nairobi Northern Bypass Highway. So if we go to the overview of this road here, is that the road is one of the 4 bypass highways built to direct motorized traffic away from the central business district of the city of Nairobi to alleviate the perennial traffic jams on the city streets. So the bypass highways include Nairobi Northern Bypass. So Nairobi Northern Bypass is just at my back. Then the second one is Nairobi Eastern Bypass. The third one is Nairobi Southern Bypass that I took you before. I think you can, if you check my videos, you'll just see Nairobi Southern Bypass. Then lastly, Nairobi Western Bypass Highway that we will be driving on today. The road is yet to be completed. So it's one of these 4 bypasses roads that form 96.7 kilometers ring road around the city. So guys, the Western Bypass development also involved the construction of 17.7 kilometers of service roads and walkways measuring 2 meters on both sides of the highway. A total of 6 interchanges and overpasses will be built, one each in the 6 townships where the 4-lane dual carriage is planned to pass. So this way the traffic on the highway will not interfere or be impeded by the surface traffic in the urban centers. So as I've stated before, that the Nairobi Western Bypass, this highway here, will just cost approximately 17.3 billion. That's US dollars 173 million. In February, it started in February 2019. So China Road and Bridge Corporation, the selected contractor, just began construction of this highway in 2019. So the funding was done by Exim Bank of China. So the construction here is expected to last for at most 39 months. at most 39 months. So guys, I think you can see a very nice road is being constructed here. A nice road is being constructed here. So up to this point we are at 65% work has been done. So guys, I think you can see how contractors are doing a very nice work here. And the contractor so the contractor of this road is from Kenya, that's Kenya. So guys, the construction of this road here is a milestone for this country, as I think you can see so many people here doing residential houses. So with time, their houses plus their land here will be very much commercial. So the transportation of goods from their farm, I think you can see we have some farms around. So the movement of their farm produce will be very easy and reliable, convenient. So guys, I think you can see, let me just show you. There are some people here just trying to tarmac this other side. I think you can see them. Let me show you nicely. I think you can see them. So the construction here, guys, is just to make sure that the completion of the four ring roads around Nairobi city is just completed. I think you can see how the road is very nice. So guys, I'll just continue updating you on day-to-day activities on this road, but for now, please listen to this music.